In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to extract coordinates of point features in meter or UTM in ArcGIS. Just like this. You want to extract your coordinates in X and Y, that is in meter or UTM coordinate system. So to do that, let's go to our ArcGIS. So let me load in the data we want to use for this exercise. Click on add data. This is the data points. Click on add. So we can change the symbol for us to see it clearly. Let's change the color to red for instance and click on OK. Yes, these are our point features and we want the coordinates in meter. If we right click and open attribute table, you can see the longitude and the latitude in decimal degree. But what if we want it in meter or UTM? So to do that, let's click on table options and click on add field. So let's call this field X, then make it double and click on OK. So we have created a field called X. Then let's create a field for Y. Click on table option, click on add field. Let's call this Y and make it double. Click on OK. So we have created X and Y field. So now to calculate the coordinates, that is X coordinates in meter, so right click here and come to calculate geometry. Click on yes. Then here coordinate system, we want to calculate the property will be X coordinates of the points. We want to calculate for X. Then the coordinate system, choose use coordinate system of the data frame, not of the data source but of the data frame. Click this. Then here specify the units. So in this case we want it in meter, so we click on meter and click on OK. Click yes. So it has calculated for it in meter. Then for this Y, right click and come to calculate geometry. Click yes. Then here also is Y coordinates of point we want to calculate. Then change the coordinate system to use coordinate system of the data frame. Click on that. Then change the units to meter. Then click on yes. Click on yes. Then you can see it has calculated the X and Y in meter. So this is how to extract the coordinate of your point feature in meter UTM in ArcGIS, just like this and just as I've done it for you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.